Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use a software for the Avalasia T300. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to use this one. We're going to open and log in with the password admin. Okay. Then the first thing that we need to do is click autofocus to make sure that our black body is in focus. And then the only thing we need to do is go to setup other, put the frame rate on 30, click on the temperature data switch and confirm. Make sure that you click confirm and that you get this pop-up right here. Then go to your encode configuration, encode set, and also put the frame rate here on 30 and then press confirm once again. Make sure this is on autofocus as well, because this gives a better view. Make sure whenever you are ready with these settings, close and don't open again. So everything is set here, we're not going to touch it anymore. And then we go to the next one. We open, we click connect. It's automatically on this one if your Ethernet cable is connected, and we're going to click search. You will get this, and we will click connect, and then give in the password admin I. We're going to log in, and you see that we're connected. You will see here in language that there's a lot of different languages. You can put it in Dutch. It will close automatically and open again in the language that you chose. You can put it as well in French, and then it's gonna close and open again. But for the purposes of this video, let's keep it in English right now. Okay, we're going to click connect, search. If you change the language, you need to do this again and connect admin I and connect. Okay, if we go to settings, you can see that there's 4 different settings right here, but that there is no black body setting right here. To get that setting, we're going to click Ctrl, Shift and R, and then this box will pop up. The password is www.iraytech.com.cn. We're going to click OK. If we now go to settings, you will see that there is a 5th option. Okay, the first thing we need to do is draw the black body area. If you click draw, you will see that a little square like this will pop up. We will not put it too big. We will not put it too small. So this is good. And make sure that you put it in the middle of your black body. Then declick draw, make sure this is on, that the temperature is 35, the same as on the back of your black body, and click set. Make sure you click set every time. To measure if the black body temperature is correct, what we need to do is we need to set a measurement rectangle. So I'm going to draw that right here in the middle of the black body, because we know that the temperature of the black body is 35 degrees. If you're not getting this result, it's possible that your temperature measurement mode is still set on C, which is fever measuring. You will then see that you get a wrong result. So make sure that you go to temperature measurement mode and that it's on N, so spot metering. Click set and OK, and you will see that it's correct. To remove this one, you simply click the bin and you can remove it. Okay, to be able to measure fevers, we need to make sure that it's on C. We need to make sure that our alarm threshold is correct. So you can put in here when you want an alarm to go off. And then if you set it, you will click set. We can also add a shielded area. For example, let's say that we have a hotter part right here and it's hotter than 37.3. We can set a shield area, and if we do that, there we go, we can make sure that this is not being measured. Make sure you declick this one again and it will not show. So This will make sure that the alarm doesn't go off unnecessarily for a hot point in the background. If you want to delete it, just click this one and we can delete it again. Make sure you declick them all before you go on to the next part. Okay, so everything here is set. Make sure that you click on the measurement mode and that you also click on the capture mode. Quick thing, you cannot measure your spot metering if your capture mode and your measurement mode is on. So make sure that these are off. Then we of course have the alarm. If you click this one, it makes sure that you have a sound alarm going off when a person with a fever arises, and this one will make sure that there's a little pop-up right here when an alarm goes off. Okay, on this side of the screen you will see all the measurements that will be made. On this side of the screen you will see all the measurements that will be made that have a higher temperature than you put into the threshold. So here you will be able to see an overview of all the people with a fever. If measured correctly, of course. Okay, so these are the most important features of the software. If you have any questions, you can always reach us to our support, or you can send an email to support@avalasia.com.